How to view TikTok live stream analytics. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok, log into your account, then click on your profile located at bottom right corner of your screen. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three lines located at top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on TikTok Studio. You may find TikTok Studio as creator tools as well. Click on TikTok Studio. In here, click on View All, which is located at top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on View All, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll to the left and you'll find Live option. From here, you can view your stream analytics. You can also click on Go to Live Center and see in detail. This is how to view TikTok live stream analytics. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.